So let's come out here. Steve's got a lot of crap in his eyes. This is what he's doing, see?
I'm just sweating.
Really?
Yeah.
This sill is totally wet. Yeah. This is what we're replacing. So it's got all of this messed up. What's all of these marks? Is that on there?
I'm not sure.
Was that on there before? No. Look, you're bending it all up like that.
Yeah, I have to.
Why don't we just take it all down so it will look pretty? He's on camera, so he won't really say.
Because in order to do that, I have to take the windows out. I have to go up there and get up underneath that siding and unscrew it up there and do it for all these different pieces, including this piece up here and that window. I have to take all that down and take all these panels off and then get in here.
Well, you can ask me to come over here and help you lift it so you don't get upset. So what's the challenge right now? Getting it off?
Half this sill is rotten. The other half is really good. So just to take this, I've only taken this little section here off so far because it's so difficult to get off. Even bent my pry bar trying to get it off.
Yeah, and look at how many umpteen nails they put. They just go happy with all of the nail guns and stuff, and look at how many staples in one little tiny band.
Yeah, and they got to remove all these before I can put a new 2x6 up there.
That's what we're facing.
And also have to put another 2x4 up across here because this was rotted.
Yeah, I see that. This is the bathroom. Inside the bathroom on that wall, I had to remud it because moving this house, this whole section here was worse than that other side. So I have the hood, I'll be putting that up, and the porch lights. Left some stuff at home. Well, I'll turn this off for now. We'll continue to show the progress, but when you see things like that laying, that's the cover for the underbelly. So we got a lot of underbelly exposed. I think we have to come all the way to here. I mean, I still see wet wood, huh? Is it soft? That?
Some of it is, not all this is bad.
Okay.
So right about here. You see all this is bad over here. I'm going to replace from here down to right around there somewhere.
That time when we did subfloor repair, this is a kitchen before we put those cabinets in there. And we've had this house for a while. It's one of the first ones we bought. We had to do a lot of repair work, and here we are again. And that's the thing when you buy these 20, 30-year-old mobile homes. You can anticipate this down the road. You really don't know that until you start digging in, and then this is what you find, so. Please let me turn this off. I got a little sick this morning. Ate too many egg whites. That's what happens. But anyways, let me turn this off.